Are you in a relationship?
Currently, no.
And then you have kids.
Yes.
You're not scared of whoever that you're going to bring in your life is going to be a blended someone, and they have to have that instant relationship with your kids.
Obviously, I am scared, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's not like I can reverse things and try and look for a better baby mama.
Yeah.
Masekwenzekile.
But I love the fact that you said you did witness love before.
Yes.
And then it means that whoever now who's gonna come, if it's not an authentic love, you will feel it because of the texture of love.
Yes.
I love that. And then what is it that you want to be remembered for? Asithi kusasa uNkulunkulu uyakukhumbula.
I'd love to be remembered as one of the soldiers that God brought to this earth to make a difference in people's lives. No matter how small or how little the difference is, but as long as I can point someone and say, do you know that guy uSbanban ula ekhona ngenxa yokuthi I was part of le journey yakhe, you know. Helping people, you know, that's what I'm all about. It's not about money, but it's about I love ngithanda ukubona, especially when it comes to what I'm good at, which is music. Ngithi mangibabona lapha elokishini ngizwa italent labo, I always have le ntshisekelo yokuthi ngathi ngingamnceda, you know, ngathi even noma ngabe advice.
Yes.
You know, advice nje ukuthi, you know, since I've been to this world, your music
for a longest time.
You understand? Na indlela mhlambe engaba right for wena, or you know, whatever. So I'd love to be remembered as leyo muntu loyo.
Have you listened to Black Molly's album?
Who's Black Molly?
Black Molly maziwa Black Rick. Lo wenganekwane.
No.
I'm gonna send it to you.
The album.
It's called Waters. Very harmonious. Very indigenous. Guys, like I loved what Ufilmon said earlier.
Yeah, true.
Guys, and guys, thank you so much for opening that path for many of our people. Thank you.
No,
if Anizwa enough, I'm gonna say it now. This is documented. Remember, we can still watch this in the next coming 10 years.
True.
Thank you so much. You did. Nina vusa something. Nina vusa something. Ekasi. I'm looking for Leslie. When Naledi Atlach poetry session. Yakumbula, when we had Naledi Atlach.
Yes.
I'm looking for that guy who was organizing it.
Leslie.
No, Leslie.
Ufundile.
No, Leslie wayna madreads. Yes. Ufundile, who's Fundile?
The poet himself. The guy who was, I think he was I don't know if he was the founder.
Lady Atlach. I'm looking for those people. So those are the things. My point of when I started this is to 2K to understand where we're coming from.
Yes. Wow.
I need them to understand where we're coming from. We have you guys opened this path. They should know that. And ngicela ungiphe a word of the day, and then ungipha ama socials wakho, and then Filmon askis usophumile mic in party njengoba lapho ngicela nawe uzosho ama platforms wakho ku social media, because you're coming, right? Okanye sizosebenzisa wakhe, but we need day yakho nawe because nama nginayo. Yes.
No, word of the day mina ngathi iBhayibheli.
uJesu athi
iBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi a wise man always changes his mind.
Okay.
Ngiyaphi nale nkulumo awukwazi ukuthi uloku uphinda phindana nento eyi1
ungafundi
then we expect ukuthi uzothola ama-results are different. You understand? So ngizophinde ngibuyele futhi nakule engishilo earlier on eyama-tools lawa asiwanikezwe uNkulunkulu, which is your mind, your hands, your 2 hands and your legs. You understand? If i-combination yalezinto lezi zonke ingahamba according to i-plan yakho as umuntu,
yes,
you can be unstoppable. You understand?
Yes.
It takes courage, it takes belief, ne perseverance, and then umhlaba wakho, you can do wonders, you can make magic. So it's all up to you.
Ngiyabonga. Ngicela ama-social platforms wakho.
Okay, mina ku Facebook bafethu just Philemon Moikanyane nje kuphela. I'm not a social media person. I've been living under a rock for ages, Buffett. I don't know why, but the thing is, that's all. And then go TikTok. It's Philemon. It's harmonic, just harmony. I've put it into vernacular like way, which is a harmony, which is HORMONE. Harmony. Yes.
Okay, guys, ngicela nimlandele ma social platforms wakhe, and then from there, because of ushilo wathi he's coming back, nizokhona ukuthi maka whatever I post izonlinkela to other platforms awakhe azowa create, because of kuyaphuma kulela lije right now. Mina I'm saying it, I'm commanding it right now. Futsandile ngicela ama platforms wakho.
Awami uSandile Shango Khoza go Facebook. And then there's a thing about TikTok. I think nazo nizozithola from Facebook. Yeah. I think I have one. It's Shango_SA, and then same applies na go Instagram. But nge active kuyo kakhulu ile Facebook. And then gune Shango_SA, which is my fan page, I think, go Facebook, Z2. So yeah, mawuthole nje ku Facebook, and then the rest uzozithola. Njengoba sekashilo sister.
Dabulela kakhulu guys. Anizugqibela ke ngokubabona because of they still gonna come back. Because of abantu aba sasibazi nge-VOG. Ayongekho umcimbi thina eSwaneville sasingadingi baba bekhona. They were everywhere because of they did play that part. So be on the lookout. Njengoba bechile ngicela nihambe niyoba follower, and then ndicela nani guys ni shareni, ndicela ni commenteni, ndicela nibakhumbuzeni uba nina nikhumbula ntoni ngabo. We all need that. We all need la fuel nyane esikhumbuzayo ngamanye amaxesha ezintweni ezenzekayo ebomini bethu. Ndibulela kakhulu ke guys, ningalibali ukusubscribe, ni share, ni comment. Sinithanda kakhulu, and thank you for your support yenu.